Hey YouTube, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to Sakom's channel. I got another great content for you guys here. Today I am installing a shark fin style antenna on my IS300 here. I bought this silver color here because my car is silver. It doesn't match it too much, but you know, you can get it in any other color, black, which is seems to be the most popular one. So before we get into this, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you do like the content at the end of the video, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. All right, let's just go ahead and get into this and I'll show you guys how to do this. So as I was test fitting this on top of the car, it sat like really flat and there was like so much gap between the top portion and the rear, because you know how the back of the car it slopes. It has this like maybe 10 to 15 degree angle on it. So as you can see how it kind of like slopes down and slopes up. So you have the rear which you have like a gap up here and there'll be like a gap right up here. So what I did was I modified it a little bit to make it, you know, sit a little bit more flush. Okay, so I took this thing apart. It's just like 3 screws, you know, 1 on top, 2 on the bottom. Comes out pretty easily. So what I did here was, you can see how there's like a angle on it now, right? So what I did was I took the heat gun and I started heating the 2 sides right here, and then I kind of just bent it and held it in place until it cools down for a little bit, you know, and go ahead and I test fit it on top of here, and you can see how it sits flush now. And as for this bigger portion, the shark fin itself, so I filed that down. You can see there's an angle there now. This part was straight that goes all the way across. So I filed that at an angle to compensate with what I bent over here on that bottom portion on both sides. And I test fitted it and it fits pretty good. Now, depending on the car that you're putting it on, you don't have to do what I did here. This is just optional if you want it to sit like really nice and flush, you know? So yeah, depending on the car, you don't have to do it like this. This is just me trying to get it to have like a nice flush factory look, you know? Like it came out of the factory like that. Just put the rubber back on. Here we go. Put this back on. Let's go ahead and start one of your screws. All right. You don't want to over tighten these. This is plastic. It just might strip on you. Inside the box, it came with double-sided stick tape in shape of that the shark fin antenna itself, and some mounting screws. What the heck? Oh, it's like an insert screw. Okay, all right, we'll make this work. Go ahead and twist this right off. I'm just gonna have it sit like right here. It's like a little spot for the antenna or the backup portion of this, or it's, I don't know, just gonna put it right in there and put it on top and put it against there. And see how nice and flush it sits. Here it is from the other side. All right. All right, so what you want to do here is go ahead and set one of the nuts, inside, and go ahead and put it in between here, and then set the other nut right behind it. All right, let's go ahead and put this right in there. And this is about as tight as it gets. Now we tighten this. Okay. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. All right, that's tighten. All right, let's go ahead and peel this plastic off. I don't have to break this. There we go. Now, before you lay this down, make sure you clean the area off. Make sure it's nice and clean. So I'm just gonna put it against this portion back here and eyeball it as much as I can. I'm not even sure if that's straight. Just put some pressure on it. There you have it. It was quick, it was easy. It looks actually pretty good. I like it, it looks pretty good. I hope you like what you see here. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, a like, share this video with others, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.